If you're getting a little pop-up inside of ChatGPT that is basically telling you that there's some unusual activity going on inside of ChatGPT, there's a couple of things that you're going to want to kind of keep in mind here. Number one, if you're getting some sort of like unusual activity inside of here, the best thing to keep in mind here is to just kind of understand and reread what you're actually sending. If you're sending some insane stuff within ChatGPT or something that goes against their terms of service or anything like that, well, that could usually end up being the main reason why you might run into a problem like that. So if you are getting some sort of prompt, and let's say it's not supposed to be giving you a prompt, let's say it's supposed to be giving you something else, but it's telling you that it's unusual activity, you might want to try just reloading ChatGPT or closing out of ChatGPT and opening it back up again. So what this would look like is basically just closing out of ChatGPT just like this, opening it back up, or refreshing the website, and sometimes that might end up fixing it for you. The other thing you can try doing is double checking your internet connection. So tap into your settings application right over here, and then what you can do is you can go through and just double check your Wi-Fi connection. Sometimes that might just be the problem that you're running into as well. You can try doing that and you can see if that ends up fixing the problem, which for some people that might actually end up fixing it for you. You can also try going through and basically logging out of ChatGPT and logging back in. So go through, log out of ChatGPT as you normally would, and give it a few seconds. You can go ahead and see if you can log back in, and that might be another thing you can try doing as well. That would be the other thing I'd probably recommend thinking about. And if that's still not working, you might just want to go ahead and see if you're able to go through and basically make your way over to a website like downdetector.com or is it downrightnow.com. Those are basically the main ways to go and essentially see if it's down, and then you can wait to see if they end up fixing it. So those are kind of the main ways to go and fix this issue. If you have any other thoughts or questions, please let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.